Well, this is Phoenix. He's about 10 or 11 years old. He's paralyzed in his back legs. He's covered in urine and feces right now. And his poor back end just has no muscle left. It's just all bones.
We're here today in Sampson County working on a puppy mill operation. We're working with law enforcement to remove some of these animals and get them the necessary vet care and treatment that they need. We found a lot of dogs that were in pretty urgent need of medical care. You know, it's a basic necessity, just simple things that they need that they haven't been given for a really long time, you know, let alone some human interaction. It's just a really sad situation, and it's very typical of these kinds of puppy mills where the end goal is profit. And, you know, now they're going to go to a home where someone's going to love them the way that a dog should be loved.
You are sweet. He was really shaky when we first picked him up, and now he's kind of seemed to calm down and relax a little bit, and it's a good feeling. He knows we're here to help.